You must have seen a 3D printer in action, but have you ever wondered if we can print a whole house out of a 3D printer? This is possible, and it is not just a concept anymore. America's first 3D printed house is out for sale and is getting a lot of attention. I'll give you a tour of this house, so keep watching. This huge 3D printer is set up using cranes on the site, and instead of plastic or filament, they use a special kind of cement which builds the house layer by layer. This cement technology is patented and made specially for this purpose. The whole process is oversighted by few workers, and the printing process is monitored on a computer. This technology is being developed since some time, and now it's ready to be used for real houses. The first 3D printed house is listed for sale in America. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms built by a New York-based company, sqfd. If you look closely, you will not find any columns in the house. The structure is fully compliant to government regulations. It is priced at $299,000, which is half of the prices in the neighborhood. The structure of this house was built in around 40 hours with few workers. The builders have maintained few signatures of the 3D printing in this house, just like this wall, which shows all the cement layers. If you don't like this look, you can plaster it afterwards, which is done by the builder in the rest of the house. Isn't it amazing to see how things as fundamental as house building is changing? These kind of technologies are known as disruptive technologies, and this is going to change the real estate market. As 3D printing a house gives you great flexibility on what you can make, the options are unlimited. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content.